In case you weren't aware, open houses are back. We've been doing open houses since all the pandemic stuff got lifted. So this session of 2 yeses and no is basically some information what you should be doing for open houses. So yes, the first thing is, yes, you should be doing open houses because it's a great way for your realtor to promote your listing. It's just a different way. They can do live feeds from the open house, they can do added posts, and they can just get the word out. The number 2 thing is, yes, you should definitely do an open house when you first hit the market the first weekend. If you do it right, coming soon post, coming soon on your front lawn, all that kind of sort of your sign, people might be interested to see what your home looks like. And they want to come the first weekend to get, the first crack at it. So you should absolutely do an open house both Saturday and Sunday the first weekend, and then carry on the open houses until you find there's not a lot of traction if your house doesn't sell quickly. And then finally, the no on this is, no, don't be worried about nosy neighbors coming to your open house. They want to see your home, and you probably should encourage them to come over. And why is that? Well, they may have family and friends that want to move into the neighborhood, and this is a way for your neighbor to come check out your home, pretty much stress-free, worry-free, and they can check out your home and take back some of the listing information that is provided at the open house and share with their family members. You never know. You'd be surprised how often the neighbors will find you a buyer. So yeah, open up to your neighbors.